I'm Elvie Miller. This is my wife, Rebekah.
Hi.
And we're pretty excited about our dream home that we've been working on for some years, designing it, planning to build it on the place here.
So yes, this is our dream home. We've planned it and talked about it for a long time. And it's actually finally happening. It's hard to believe. I'm going to have a sewing room, which I'm super excited about. It's going to be 3 floors, basement, main floor, upstairs, and an extra room in the tower. We're going to have a big open space in the basement, so we'll have room for ping pong tables and young people to play in, and we'll have lots of closets and storage space, which we don't have in our current house. So I'm really looking forward to that.
Yeah, it'll be a treat for me to build a house for my wife and family and myself and to host people. So yeah, it's a dream come true. We're thrilled about these craftsmen behind us. These guys are really good at what they're doing, and we're excited to see them build it for us. This is the location where we pre-assemble all the log buildings, including our own. So now I'm going to do a walkthrough and show you the upstairs of the house. This is the south face of the house. That's the tower bedroom. That's going to be a porch coming off those log joists. The center glass area overhang for the center great room right here. Gable dormer, kitchen below, but that's the upstairs bedroom. So those are the angled logs of the valley rafters that carry these purlins and make a valley in the roof, carrying all that structure. It's pretty impressive log crafting, so we're very pleased with it. So let's go in here. This is the west sliding French door that'll go to the west view. And this is Verina's bedroom. And this is the log dormer. This is called an A or a gable dormer with full log. And so that'll be all put together here for the view that way. And there's beam work, the log purlin work here. The walls are flat on this side and round on this side. Give it some contrast. This will be the great room. It looks like a real mess right now, the workspace. But I'm in the loft with a stairway coming up right there. And this is the loft area. By the way, this is my glove from my injured hand, so excuse me for the crazy cap on my hand. But this is the loft area, and open, we'll be looking down into the great room here through the glass to the south. This archway will go into the loft bathroom on my left, another bedroom on this area here, another log gable dormer. And as you know, logs all the way to the peak, log gables to the gable dormer to the peak, full log all the way up. This is the second story of the tower. It's a bedroom, and this will have a balcony going out the bedroom door. And there are log joists above me with a third log bedroom on the top of that joist up there. So one more story of logs up above me. And we're inside the tower bedroom. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more videos of this project. And please subscribe to Amish Meadows YouTube channel. Thank you.